A video summit marking the 70th anniversary of the China Council for the Promotion of International Trade was held in Beijing on Wednesday. Experts of various countries have hailed China's role in driving the world economic growth.
For the longest time, I think China is the largest trading partner of ASEAN. In that alone, it also tells us that, the economic development of these countries in ASEAN, including my country, is very much dependent on China. So, if China continues to grow, ASEAN countries will continue to grow as well. Because we're very connected, no? Our economies are connected. So, that kind of cooperation has to be sustained.
I think at this moment it is very, very important that China opens up. China is going to lead the economic development of the world, and most of the countries have not really come out of the pandemic effects and all. And China, which is the early recoverer of pandemic, has really helped the economy of the world so far, and they are opening up with more positive initiatives is really good for economy.
El éxito creo que está basado en que China, digamos, es el de varios países de Latinoamérica, especialmente de Brasil y de Chile. China es el primer mercado de destino, en el fondo, de las exportaciones de estos países. Digamos, hay un intercambio comercial basado en buenos contratos, en confianza, y también en una necesidad de ambos lados. Digamos, obviamente nosotros creo que Latinoamérica necesita mucho más a China que China a nosotros, pero de igual manera ellos son, nosotros somos importantes para ellos en ese sentido. Digamos, tenemos tratados, entonces, digamos, creo que obviamente es mucho más importante para Latinoamérica. Sin China, digamos, tendríamos otros números en el fondo, porque representan bastante de nuestra economía.
Hay una presencia china muy importante, hay diversos países en la región que tienen un mayor comercio con China que con Estados Unidos. Las inversiones de China han sido muy potentes los últimos 20 años en la región de América Latina y el Caribe.
Established in May 1952, the CCPIT is aimed at promoting foreign trade and the use of foreign investment, introducing advanced foreign technologies, and conducting activities of Sino-foreign economic and technological cooperation in various forms.